To place your order, select a fund of your choice. Click on Invest Now. Choose the type of investment. Enter the amount to be invested. Select your account. Proceed to Add to Cart. If you want to add more funds, click on Invest More. To place the order, click on Proceed. View the summary of your orders. For payment, select a payment mode from the given options. Click OK. Click on the link received via SMS. Choose the scheme name for which you wish to make payment. Scroll right to view more details about the transaction. You will receive an OTP on your mobile number and email ID. Enter the OTP and hit the Submit button. Open your UPI app to complete the transaction. Approve the transaction from your UPI app. Congratulations! You have successfully bought the mutual fund of your choice. To further track your investments, navigate our wealth management app.